What's up guys, welcome to Products Room. To improve efficiency, many woodworkers that prefer both quality and speed choose to use an electric jointer planer that does all the work with no ill effects for the user. They come in tabletop or floor models and can do the job of planing your wood pieces with such precision you will never do it by hand again. These machines are a staple in most professional woodchops. For your next woodshop investment, we have a list of the best and most popular jointer planer combo machines to help you pick your jointer planer. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we start our list, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and thank you in advance. Now let's get started. We will start our list with 3 products from the Jet brand. And the first product is Jet JJP12, 12-inch planer jointer. Given that woodworkers have a variety of different needs, picking a single best jointer planer combo is no easy task. Jet produces a range of high-quality machines, and its 12 inches model offers a sturdy build, impressive power, and a reputation for fast and easy changeover between functions. A reliable 3 horsepower TEFC, totally enclosed fan-cooled motor drives the 3-knife cutter head at 5,500 revolutions per minute, with a maximum depth from a single pass of an 1/8 inch. Feed rate is 20 fpm. Tables are cast iron and 55 inches long, providing solid workpiece support even with large stock. A steel cabinet provides a sturdy base. For safety, the on-off switch locks out during function changeovers. It also needs a manual restart in the event of a power outage, so the machine doesn't come back on unexpectedly. A 4 inches dust port serves both jointing and planing operations. The Jet JJP12 jointer planer combo is among the most competitively priced in its class. Those who are fastidious about finish quality might want to look at the brand's JJP12HH, which has a helical cutter head but costs substantially more. Next product, we have Jet JJP10BTOS 10-inch planer jointer. The Jet JJP10BTOS 10 inches jointer planer combo strikes an excellent balance between performance and price. It can be used as a benchtop model or fitted to the supplied stand and will run off standard household electric supply. This tool can be a great choice for the home woodworker or small professional shop. The 2-knife cutter head runs at 9,000 revolutions per minute and has a feed rate of 19.5 fpm. The maximum depth of cut is an 1/8 inch in jointer mode and 5/64 inches when planing. Changeover is fast and simple. There is a 2.5 inch dust port, and a 2.5 inch to 4 inches hose adapter is also included. A table length of 36 inches provides good workpiece support, though tables are aluminum and steel rather than cast iron, so the machine isn't quite so rigid. The upside is that it is relatively easy to move around. The stand is a little fiddly to assemble and needs to be checked regularly as nuts can work loose. However, these are minor gripes, and as a whole, the Jet JJP10BTOS jointer planer combo offers outstanding value. Next product, we have Jet JJP8BT 8-inch planer jointer combo. Home woodworkers often have limited space, so benchtop machines that can be stored away when not required are ideal. Weighing just 58 pounds and with a table length of 29 inches, the Jet JJP8BT jointer planer combo fulfills this role. It is also light enough to be of use to job site carpenters. In spite of its modest physical dimensions, the Jet JJP8BT offers good performance. The motor seems to be the same model used for the 10 inches Jet jointer planer. It drives the 2-knife cutter head at 18,000 cuts per minute and provides a feed rate of 19.5 fpm. The maximum depth of cut is 5/64 inches. As expected on a budget jointer planer combo, the tables are extruded aluminum and sheet metal rather than cast iron. They are decent quality, and like the tall fence, offer good workpiece support. However, they can be fiddly to level. The 4 inches dust port comes with a 2.5 inch adapter for shop vacs. The next product on our list is Rikon 25210H 12-inch helical planer jointer. The key feature of the Rikon 25210H jointer planer combo is the helical cutter head. It has 4 rows of carbide blades, 56 in all, rotating at 5,000 revolutions per minute. The resulting 20,000 cuts per minute produces a super smooth surface straight out of the machine, so sanding is seldom necessary. A feed rate of 23 fpm also makes this a highly productive machine. The maximum cut is an 1/8 inch in both jointer and planer modes. Drive comes from a powerful 3 horsepower motor that requires a 220 volt supply. A 55 inch cast iron table provides excellent workpiece support. Combined with a strong metal cabinet, this provides the sturdy platform necessary for high quality work. A 4 inches dust port is fitted. The Rikon 25210H jointer planer combo is capable of delivering the performance demanded by professionals, but quality control can occasionally be an issue. The fence can work loose, and controls may have some play, making setup more difficult. There is nothing that can't usually be fixed, but given the price, it is no surprise that some owners find this frustrating. Now we have also 3 products from the Grizzly brand. And the first product is Grizzly G0634Z Jointer Planer Combo. You might have already heard about Grizzly. No, we are not talking about the bears. Instead, what we are referring to is the power tool manufacturer. They have a pretty good lineup of jointer and planer combo as well. This one is an excellent example of how good their offerings usually are. Firstly, the overall construction of the machine is highly praiseworthy. The manufacturer has opted for high-quality materials, which enhances the overall durability. It will be capable of handling heavy workloads and will last for a long time without showing any performance issues. There are a good amount of adjustable systems present too. Those are easy to access and will enable you to tune the entire operation finely. It has adjustable gap plates as well. The gap plates are accompanied by head sliding rails. Those will make the task of handling projects easier. The machine also features an excellent overall design. It has proper support on the base. As a result, the stability of the whole thing is reasonably high. That will eventually mean accurate cuts. It also has a proper system to mitigate the vibrations, so you will not have to worry about wobbling at all. Its form factor is reasonably compact too. This compact trait makes it easier to store, accommodate, and move the device around. Next product, we have Grizzly G0634XP Spiral Polar Bear Series Planer Jointer. Although there are many combos with reasonably powerful motors available in the market, only a few boast an insanely highly powered motor. Well, this offering from Grizzly is one of them. As we have mentioned, it sports a 5 horsepower motor. The motor has a single-phase design and operates at 220 volts. Due to how powerful the motor is, the machine can make the blade rotate at a staggering 3,450 RPM. Also, it has a magnetic switch, which will make the task of controlling the motor a breeze. The size of the table is reasonably large too. It is 14 inches by 59.5 inches. As it is comparatively large, it will be possible to work with large-sized workpieces on top of it. The fence is large too. It is 6 inches by 51.25 inches. For that reason, you will be capable of controlling and adjusting the workpiece properly on this. When it comes to the blade, the manufacturer did not skimp one bit. They have integrated a carbide cutter head. The diameter of the head is 3/8 inches and can offer wide cuts. Even the depth of cut is highly praiseworthy too, and the cutter head speed is at 5,034 RPM, which is not that common. You will also find a quick releasing mounting system for the fence. As a result, it will be easy to detach the fence from the top. There is a 4-inch dust port available as well. That will keep the whole surface free from dust. Next product, we have Grizzly G0634Z Planer Jointer with Spiral Cutter Head. Grizzly is the right name for this product. It is a beast. The Grizzly G0634Z Planer Jointer with Spiral Cutter Head boasts heavy-duty machine joints and uses a 12 inches cutter head for planing. It is an incredibly sturdy floor model, weighing 734 pounds, so you know this won't topple over no matter what you are planing. And the tabletop is just shy of 60 inches by 14 inches. This hulking structure uses a carbide insert spiral cutter head, which will give you a very smooth planing cut, and it can perform well over 20,000 cuts per minute. Using the same machine for planing and jointing saves you money. To convert it from a jointer to a planer is as simple as lifting the quick release fence. As it is a monster of a machine, its size and weight are the only downsides. If you are looking for a more portable, tabletop option, or don't have the space for another floor machine, this could be an encumbrance. And it is reasonably expensive. However, it will last a very long time, and the quality is second to none, which is why we think it is the best jointer planer combo you can buy. The next product on our list is JT833H 8-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer with Extendable Table. The JT833H jointer has an 8 inches cutting width, which is a decent size when working with medium-sized wood. The cutter head used here is a spiral design with 16 HSS blades put in a staggered manner. The fence is adjustable, and it bevels up to 45 degrees for angled cuts. With a speed of 12,000 RPM, you can get smooth woodwork. The in-feed table has an adjustable cutting depth from 0 to 1/8 inch of material with each pass. One of the advantages of this JT833H jointer is the table size of 33 by 8 inches, which can be increased further by extending the support ends. You can extend the length of your table to 51 inches. When it comes to user safety, this JT833H jointer employs a cutter head blade guard. It is equipped with a spring-loaded design that enables it to expose a small portion of the blade while you work, thereby protecting the user as much as possible. The next product on our list is JT630H 6-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer. Another jointer makes the cut, and this time in the form of the JT630H 6 inches Benchtop Jointer. If you're looking for a jointer with large table space for your work, this jointer would be a great addition to a 30 by 6 inches table. It sports a spiral cutter head system with 12 HSS blades set in a staggered manner to provide clean cuts. These cuts can be as deep as 1/8 of an inch per cut, as the blades are adjustable by using the easy-to-grip knobs on the jointer. It is also the most affordable option on this list while providing a combination of impressive features. One of such features is the impressive 1.5 horsepower motor and 6 inches cutting blade width. It uses a spring-loaded guard system to cover the blades and reduce the chances of injuries. The 2 push blocks available also keep your fingers at safe distances away from the blades. Putting your fingers close to blades going at speeds up to 10,000 revolutions per minute can be dangerous. The next product on our list is ShopFox W1876 6-inch benchtop jointer with spiral-style cutterhead. From the stables of the popular ShopFox brand comes this W1876 jointer with a 6-inch cutting head. This is a small jointer machine only working 6-inch and below wide pieces. However, it packs a lot of power for its size, with its motor having a 1/2 horsepower rating. The cutter head used here is a spiral with 12 inserts rotating at 19,000 RPM and making 12,000 cuts per minute. It can cut up to 1/8 of an inch deep and 6 inch wide. The infeed and outfeed table are made of cast aluminum, which provides a decent level of durability, especially since it'll be working on smaller pieces. This machine is affordable and small, sitting on top of your table. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. And this video helped you out. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this in the future. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you later.